$3, $20, $50, and even $100 earned in one day by just opening emails. This is the easiest way to get paid to read emails and make money online. Every single day, regular people like you and me are able to cash out real PayPal earnings on this website, so it is safe to say that this actually works. You don't need any previous experience to do this, and you don't need any money to do this. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer with internet connection to get started. And of course you can do this from anywhere in the world. This video, I show you how you can do this, and how you can start to make money online every single day. But before that, drop a like to this video and subscribe to the channel with the notifications on. Let's start the video. Do you have an email account? And do you check your email inbox on a regular basis? If yes, I have a good news for you. I am about to show how you can generate anywhere between $500 to $1,000 by simply opening and reading emails. No complicated steps and no skills or experience needed. Just open emails and boom, you make money online. The more emails you read, the more you will be making. This is the site where you will get paid to read emails. Now, before I reveal the name of the site, this is how exactly it works. These are the 3 simple steps for you to make money online reading emails. First, you have to sign up for a free account. Second, you have to read emails. I will show you a real live example of how to do that. Third step, you can get paid in PayPal money every single day. Now these are some of the features on this website which are very important to understand, so pay close attention. First of all, you're going to receive daily paid emails directly to your email inbox right here. They pay their users instantly because they have a quick payment processing, and within 24 hours you are able to receive your money. They have a very low payout limit of $15, and once you reach the $15 minimum threshold, you can start cashing out your earnings. This site is completely free and very easy to join, and you don't have to pay any money for this. And once you activate your account, you can get $3 as a sign-up bonus for absolutely free. Now the first and most important step, you must have 2 things ready to receive your money. First, you must have a PayPal account, but don't worry, if you don't have a PayPal account, simply go on to paypal.com and click on this button right here to sign up for a free PayPal account. And as you can see, you can join PayPal for free, so just get started with a personal account. And secondly, make sure that you actually have an email account, which I know most of you have. But if some of you don't have an email account, I suggest you to get a Yahoo email account. You can go on to Google and search for Yahoo Mail. Click on this link right here. And if you have a Yahoo Mail account, you're able to receive different paid emails and can start to make money online. And you can download Yahoo Mail app from App Store if you are using an iPhone, or you can download this from your Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Otherwise, my second suggestion is to actually use a Gmail account. Step 2. I want you to come over to this site called paidtoreademail.com. The sign-up process on this site is free and very easy. Just choose your gender, male or female, and then fill in your first name, your email address, your password, and click on the sign up button. And on the next page, fill in your last name, your zip code, check this box of terms and conditions, and I am not a robot box, then click on sign me up. Once you sign into your account, you can see $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account. As you can see here, there are 4 ways to be rewarded for your online activities. For example, cash surveys. You can see here 50 cents up to $1 per survey. And I'll show you a special bonus trick where you can earn double more money than others if you stay until the end of this video. Now I want you to click on this button right here, and that's going to take you to next page. As you can see here, cash surveys can earn 40 cents up to $1.2 for every completed survey. You can see here there are 4 main categories of surveys. Number 1, your surveys, in which you have unlimited surveys, and that you can do right now. The more surveys you complete, the more money you're gonna get paid. The second category is opinion surveys. Again, this is unlimited. The third category is Donata surveys, in which you have a limit of 10 surveys per day. And the last one is survey time, in which you have only 1 survey per day. Now for example, if you click on the survey button right here, that's going to take you to next page, and you can start doing the survey, and it takes as little as 1 or 2 minutes to complete these surveys. You can generate 50 cents by just completing these surveys. So right here, all you have to do is choose your date of birth and click on this little button. It's actually very simple and easy, and you can do it on your own. So I am gonna skip this part. Once you complete the surveys, you will be credited with the amount of money into your account right here. So the first bonus tip is to multiply your earnings on this site with surveys available. First of all, I want you to log in and complete all the limited surveys of the survey time category and the not a surveys category every single day. Once you finish this limited survey category, you will be able to earn $5.40 every day. And because you completed surveys at $5 every day, you will be able to unlock unlimited higher paying surveys. That's going to pay you $1, $2, or even up to $5 per survey. And the good thing is that you have unlimited number of surveys for all of those categories. You can just simply complete these simple surveys on your phone and can earn $2, $3, $4, or $5 for every survey that you complete. After you finish doing all the cash surveys, you can move on to the cash offers. So all you have to do is just click on this button. That's going to take you over to this page. As you can see here, for the cash offers, you have more surveys to complete and to earn between 40 cents up to 60 cents per survey. This is an extra stream of income that you can do on this website to make money online. Moving on to the next option of extra income that you have is earn points to make money online. If you click on this button, it will take you to this page. Here you can see the Peanut Labs survey option. You can take these survey options and you will be credited instantly. You can earn between 50 cents to $1.2 for completing these surveys. Now the last and most exciting stream of income in this video is paid emails. Here you can simply read emails by clicking on the link in the email and make money online for just reading emails. So as you can see here, all you have to do is just click confirm this paid email, and that's going to take you over to some website randomly just like this. So you simply have to stay on the website and wait for at least 30 seconds. And during that time you actually have to browse along the website to make sure to the website that you are actually a human and not a bot. Basically you can just scroll through the website and hover your mouse around. You can do this on your phone or on your computer, and after these 30 seconds you are able to actually receive your money and you will be able to credit them into your account. So right now, I am just going to click on another email that is sent by this website, paidtoreademail.com, and that's going to take me to a random website again, and I don't have to care about that. Actually, I don't have to do anything. Just stay here for 30 seconds, and then you're able to make money online, and that money will be credited to your account. And one important thing is to remember that you have to move around the website opened. When you reach on the website, as you can see here, I am just simply scrolling up and down. And this is all we have to do. And just wait until the 30 seconds finishes, and you will be credited with your money. The payout for emails will differ. Some emails will pay you more money, and some will pay you less. But once you reach $15 withdrawal threshold, you can cash out all your earnings into your PayPal account. And the third step is, they also have a special referral program, as you can see here. So now you can earn extra cash for referring your friends. You can receive 15% of your referrals earnings, which is completely free passive income stream to make money online. You don't have to actually do any work yourself. You just have to share this opportunity with your friends and family, or with other people. And then you will be able to receive 15% of their earnings as well, without doing any of the work yourself. So now, all you have to do is to click on this highlighted referral banners here, and it will take you to next page. Here you can find your referral link, which you can copy and start sharing with your friends and family. And if you want, you can also share it on the social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. But if you do so, I recommend you to create a new account on your Facebook or Instagram, and do not use your original account, because Facebook is strict in these matters, and if you cross the daily limit of sharing links on Facebook or Instagram, they may ban your account. That's it for today, and if you want to make even more money online, then click the video showing on the screen.